Hello, this video tutorial will show you how to access your Google Classroom from the point of receiving the initial email all the way to gaining access to the classroom. So step 1, you need to open up your emails. You should receive an email from the Google Workspace team. So as you can see on the screen, I've got my email account open and I'm going to open up the initial email. So it says you have a new Google account for Hertfordshire Adult and Family Learning Service, and as you can see, it's from the Google Workspace team. So that's who you should be expecting the email from. In the email, it tells me what my username is, as you can see, and then it says password. Click sign in below to set your password and sign in. This is just the Google account information. I need to click accept. And now I need to create a sensible password. Your password should normally have at least maybe 8 characters and a capital letter and a number involved. So I'll choose an appropriate password. And once I've created my password, I click change password. As you can see at the moment, I'm now at my dashboard, and what I need to see is Google Classroom. Classroom is here, so I'm going to click Classroom. As you can see, it's asking me to continue with my new Google Classroom email address here, so I'm going to click continue. I have to choose my role. I'm a student, so I need to click I'm a student. And now on my Google Classroom dashboard, I've got 3 classes that I'm enrolled in. So I need to accept these classes that I'm enrolled in. As you can see, I'm now inside my Google Classroom. If I click the 3 lines here, it's the main menu, and it shows me classes, calendar, and 2 of the classes that I'm enrolled in. If I click classes here, it brings me back to my main dashboard, and I still need to accept the 3rd class that I'm in. Okay. So again, if I go back to those 3 lines here, it shows me on the side that I've got 3 classes available: EVE Level 1 English, another afternoon English class, and an English for Work and Life class. EVE meaning evening class, Level 1 English. So I've got 3 classes here. If I click the classes at the top here, it brings me to the dashboard of where all 3 of my classes are. So for example, if on Monday evening I want to join my English class, click on my English class for the evening, and I'm now at my English class homepage. And if we have a video class, I would then need to click on the video icon, which would then take me onto the video call.